Good morning student, class 10th. Students, in last class we were studying about autotrophic mode of nutrition, in which we were discussing about autotrophs, that means green plants, and process about photosynthesis, by which green plants make their own food, hence they are called autotrophs. Students, in this class we will start study about heterotrophic nutrition. That means today's topic of the class is heterotrophic nutrition. So what is the topic? That is heterotrophic nutrition. ये हमारा टॉपिक है स्टूडेंट्स आज का, हेटरोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन. In this type of nutrition, mainly heterotrophs are considered. That means that type of organism which cannot prepare their own food, but they are depend on other for their feeding habit. So that type of nutrition in which organisms cannot make their own food, but they are depend on others, but they are depend on others for their feeding habit. So this is the definition of heterotrophic nutrition. You can write that nutrition in which organisms cannot make their own food. ऐसा न्यूट्रिशन जिसमें ऑर्गेनिज्म अपना फूड मटेरियल नहीं बना सकते, बट दे आर डिपेंड ऑन अदर्स, वो दूसरों पे डिपेंड होते हैं फॉर देयर फीडिंग हैबिट. अपनी फीडिंग हैबिट के लिए वो दूसरों के ऊपर डिपेंड होते हैं. सच टाइप ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इज कॉल्ड हेटरोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन, एंड the organism which shows such type of nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition, are called heterotrophs. That type of organism are called heterotrophs. इनको हम हेटरोट्रॉप्स बोलते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. So in this type of nutrition, organism cannot make their own food. That means this group of organism are such group of organism which depends on other organism for their feeding habit and are called heterotrophs. Such type of organism may be of different kinds on the basis of different type of heterotrophic nutrition. So type of heterotrophic nutrition is types of heterotrophic nutrition. What type of heterotrophic nutrition? There is mainly three types of heterotrophic nutrition. तीन टाइप के मेनली हेटरोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन है स्टूडेंट्स. नंबर वन सेप्रोट्रॉपिक. नंबर वन सेप्रोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन. नंबर टू पैरासिटिक nutrition, and number 3 is holozoic nutrition. So these three types of the nutrition is saprotrophic nutrition, parasitic nutrition and holozoic nutrition, which are considered as heterotrophic nutrition. So let us start about these three type of heterotrophic nutrition. So first of all students, we will discuss about saprotrophic nutrition. What is saprotrophic nutrition? Saprotrophic nutrition is that type of nutrition in which saprotrophs are considered. What are saprotrophs? Saprotrophs are that type of organism which take their food from dead and decaying organic matters. ऐसे organism जो अपना फूड मटेरियल डेड और डिकेइंग ऑर्गेनिक मैटर के थ्रू लेते हैं, such type of organisms are called saprotrophs, and that type of nutrition is known as saprotrophic nutrition. So define nutrition in which the organism are take food, organism are taking food from dead and decaying organic matter. Dead and decaying organic matter is called saprotrophic nutrition, and that type of organism are called saprotroph. So let us write down the definition students. Nutrition in which the organism are taking food from dead and decaying organic matter is called saprotrophic nutrition, and that type of organisms are called saprotrophs. ऐसे organisms को हम saprotrophs बोलते हैं. The best example of this is fungus. Fungi is the best example of this type of nutrition, that is saprotrophic nutrition students. So these type of organism take food from dead and decaying organic matter. Fungus में कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स अगर आप बात करें स्टूडेंट्स, तो मशरूम एक इसका बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल है जो डेड और डिकेइंग ऑर्गेनिज्म से। इसके अलावा स्टूडेंट्स एक यूनिसेलुलर फंगस भी है जिसका नाम है ईस्ट। ये भी एक फंगस ही है, बट इट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर्स दैट इट इज द यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म ईस्ट, एंड सम बैक्टीरियाज also shows this type of nutrition, saprotropic nutrition. So these three examples of saprotrophs like fungi or fungi including bread molds, ऐसे organism जो bread molds बोले जाते हैं, that is fungus, and unicellular fungus yeast, and some bacteria are included in this type of nutrition, that is saprotropic nutrition. So students, the second one is parasitic nutrition. Let us discuss about parasitic nutrition. Second number is parasitic nutrition. What is parasitic nutrition, students? Nutrition in which organism take their food from the host body. That means the organism depend on other living body, that type of body in which any organism survive either inside or outside the body are called host body, and that type organism which are survive inside or outside the body are called parasites. These parasites are called so called because they are depend on that type, on that body, that means the host body, and are causing any disease in the host body. So that type of organism which are responsible for causing disease in the host body are called parasites, and they are survive on the food material of the host body. So that type of nutrition is called parasitic nutrition. Students, ऐसा न्यूट्रिशन जिसमें कोई ऑर्गेनिज्म किसी होस्ट बॉडी के अंदर या उस बॉडी के बाहर साइड में सरवाइव कर रहा होता है और उस बॉडी से फूड मटेरियल इनटेक कर रहा होता है, और बदले में उस बॉडी को वो डिजीज कॉज करता है, तो इस टाइप के ऑर्गेनिज्म को हम लोग पैरासाइट्स बोलते हैं, एंड दैट टाइप ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इज कॉल्ड पैरासिटिक न्यूट्रिशन, or that type of relationship is called parasitic relationship, that means host parasite relationship which depend for that type of nutrition. So write the definition: nutrition in which the organism live inside or outside the host body and take nutrients from that host body You can write, students, nutrition in which the organism live inside or outside the host body and take nutrients from that host body are called parasitic nutrition. Parasitic nutrition, and the organism which live inside or outside the host body are called parasite. These organisms are always harmful for host body because they cause any specific disease in host body. So overall about parasitic nutrition, again revise: nutrition in which the organism live inside or outside the host body and take nutrients from that host body are called parasitic nutrition, and the organism which live inside or outside the host body are called parasite. These organisms are always harmful for host body because they causes any specific disease in the host body. So students, this is the parasitic nutrition. Examples of this type of nutrition are actually, in case of example, that is some fungi, bacteria, Cuscuta, Plasmodium, fungi, bacteria, Cuscuta, Plasmodium, Ascaris, एक्सेट्रा। ये कुछ एग्जाम्पल है स्टूडेंट्स: फंजाई, बैक्टीरिया, कस्क्यूटा, प्लाज्मोडियम, एस्केरिस। एनिमल के केस में जो पैरासाइट्स हैं वो प्लाज्मोडियम और एस्केरिस हैं। ये प्लाज्मोडियम प्रोटोजोआ है जो स्टूडेंट्स मलेरिया डिजीज़ कॉज करता है, और ये एस्केरिस है स्टूडेंट्स जो एस्केरिएसिस, डायरिया वगैरह कॉज करता है। ये फंगस अभी आप बात कर रहे थे, ये भी पैरासिटिक न्यूट्रिशन शो करता है। कुछ बैक्टीरिया हैं जो डिजीज़ कॉज करते हैं, टाइफाइड बैक्टीरिया वगैरह जो होते हैं, जो हम लोगों ने 9th स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ा था, ये पैरासिटिक हैं। कस्क्यूटा आपका प्लांट में आता है, जो पैरासिटिक प्लांट है स्टूडेंट्स, जो दूसरे प्लांट के ब्रांचेस पे ग्रो करता है। सो these parasitic nutrition is very specific. Now third number is holozoic nutrition. The third number is holozoic nutrition, students. that type of nutrition in which organism take solid food material and follows 5 steps. Number 1, ingestion. Number 2, digestion. Number 3, absorption. Number 4, assimilation. And number 5, egestion. So students, holozoic nutrition is that type of nutrition in which organism takes solid food material intake करता है and follows 5 steps. Number 1, ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. So such type of 5 steps are involved in holozoic nutrition, and this type of nutrition is also present in human being and also present in protozoa like amoeba. So holozoic nutrition discuss later in next classes. Whenever we start about nutrition in animals, then holozoic nutrition is discussed in detail. Okay students, so today's we are discussing about heterotrophic nutrition, in which 3 type of nutrition are included. Number 1, saprotrophic nutrition. Number 2, parasitic nutrition. And number 3, holozoic nutrition. So students, in next class we will starting the nutrition in case of plants. Okay students, thank you.